Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about pipes. So here, previously we have created a stream, reading stream, writing stream, and we are getting the value from reading stream and updating the value in the writing stream. So to do this, we have one simple way in Node.Js that is called pipe. So let me comment this one and readable stream data dot pipe and directly provide the writable stream data here and colon. Open the terminal, go to the file to clear the data, check the file one. Here we have the values. So just run the index, see the same way data has been updated here also. So we have used the pipe method to update this value, to update this streams. So in this pipe we can also chaining. So for this chaining, I'm going to show the example with the zip library. So for that, first create a constant zip library require and first node colon zlib. Next again on new variable we are going to create a zip file. So for that I'm going to provide gzip. So from this zlib create gzip and comment and provide here read stream readable stream data dot pipe here gzip. So what's happening is, first instead of providing writable stream we are providing gzip functionality. Again here we are providing pipe. Inside this I'm going to provide files dot write stream and I'm going to mention the file path here. So it will create a file dot gz. So here it will create a new file called zip file to text zip file. So clear the terminal, run again. So here you can see the zip file. You have generated the zip file. So this is how we are using the pipe here. This pipe also used to balance the load between the streams, to balance the streams also. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe YouTube channel, get the updates on time.